Okay, if you want to update your existing customer, you need to create a function which will be void, and you need to provide a path variable which is our integer ID, and need to provide request body in customer request, which will mapping our Java object to JSON. Let's check existing customer. Then we will set new name, new email, new age, or whatever you want. We can just update only one value, and then we will save our existing customer back to customer repository. Let's check what we have in our postman. We send request and get request, and we see we have 3 customers, one booker and one more booker. We want to change it, one of it. Let's use our new put method. We will change our customer ID to, right? We want customer ID to, yes. Let's change to name Java. I think it's super common name in our world, and change to hello world Gmail, and maybe change age 56. Okay, and let's check send request, and we see we did it. We change. Cool.